Well, hey there, it's Catherine from CatherinePooler.com. We are right in the middle of release week for our next Stamp of Approval collection. The theme is Adoring You, and it's a great collection of products. They're all made to coordinate together. So you have background stamps and dies and main images and sentiments, and you're gonna make cards to celebrate loved ones in your life. Our card making hobby is amazing because we can, instead of rushing out to the store and trying to find a card that suits the occasion that we need and trying to find one that suits the friend that we're trying to send a card to, we can sit down at our craft tables, express ourselves with our creative supplies, and make a heartfelt creation for our loved ones, our friends, and our family. So this collection is going to help you do that. When you purchase the collection, you get it at a discounted price, and you also get a project guide download for free. The creative team submits their favorite cards that they made for the release, and we compile them in a project guide with step-by-step instructions on how to make all the cards. So if you've been following along with the release, you saw the video where I made these cards. This is with our Sweet Home wreath and our Love Note background stamp. So that was our first release day. And then I have some cards by our creative team. So these were made by Christy Goulet. And if you follow along our blog hop, you'll see some of these cards also on this video hop today and on our Instagram hop tomorrow. Okay, so those are made by Christy. Who would have thought of doing the wreath in gray? It's gorgeous. This one was made by Nanette. This die you'll see in a minute, and she just cut it down and made a really cool window, and she did the Sweet Home wreath all around the edges. And then Alina Kraus sent these in, more wreath, and then the Adore die, which again I'll show you in a minute, and then the key. Oh my gosh, love that. And then this one I made with the Love Note background in the background and the wreath, and then these sweet little birds. You may have seen that video earlier in the week. Next up is the key stamp set. And I was able to adorn this wreath with that key. This is a perfect card for anyone moving into a new home. And then Karen Baker sent this one along to me. She used some of the foliage from the Sweet Home wreath, and congratulations, and the keys. Love this card. Here is a simple one that I made in my second video on our release. I showed in that video how to stamp and emboss and die cut a bunch of keys and locks at once. And then I like to have them on hand. You can see I just put them in my little Ziploc baggies. And then I'm going to be able to adorn lots of cards with those. So Nanette and Karen and Tracy Pond also sent in these key cards. And then I shared the Happy Together stamp set. It has these cute little birds with the layers to stamp on top, a branch, some sentiments. This Love You stamp, which was made to go with our Love Note background. So you stamp the Love Note background and then, in other words, love you. We thought that was fun. I have this card somewhere. You'll see it in video. And then we have Tracy Pond did all the birds across and then just gold emboss. Nanette did a really gorgeous rainbow here. Alina did white embossing on black. Just did some fussy cutting here and the little flowers. Christy Goulet did this gorgeous ink blending, and that color really pops on that black and white. And then another one by Tracy Pond. I love what she did with the breast here on that bird. And then the Adore die, and this one cracks me up. We adore this die, and it is Adore. Get it? Adore die. A-D-O-R-E. And there's many, many ways to use this. So here I did this card and I used it kind of, sort of feels like a bird cage, right? And then, dun, 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 let's see. Here, Erica made this one and cut the center out, and it really does look like a bird cage. Isn't that amazing? Nanette did this one with these flowers. Kind of feels like a trellis in this one. And then Christy, how smart is this? She did two of them and cut off the ends and then just stacked them one way and one the other, and it looks like a really great plaid. Karen did this one, which I thought was funny. It looked so much like mine. Great minds, right? Alina and Nanette. And here is another one by that Smarty Pants Christy. She cut two of these and then just joined them in the middle and did the congratulations over the top. What a great way to use this die. And then another one by Christy using the birds and that wreath in gray. Loving that. And lastly, we have the congratulations stamp set and the backsplash dies. So the backsplash dies are an add-on. So if you want to add those, you can. They do not come in the collection. All the packaging with the pink, those automatically come in your box. So Tracy Pond did a rainbow of congratulations. Here's the one that I was telling you about where I did the love note background. It says, "You're my person, you're the apple of my eye, we belong together," and then in other words, I love you. And then I used this right here, that image right here. Let me see. I've been using it so it's getting a little stained. And I just did a fun pattern on the background. And then here's another one with a pattern. I have videos on both of these. Alina did this with the fun colors. Oh, here's another one. I think I did these two on a Facebook Live. Tracy Pond just did the long border here, just in kind of an ombre look. And then I have a video on this one as well with a watercolored background and then the key and then congratulations on your first home. So that is the collection, y'all. So I hope you enjoy our video hop today. Be sure to visit all of the videos on the hop, subscribe to channels, leave comments, let us know what products you're loving. And Stamp Nation members, you get to do early ordering on January 8th during our pajama party. And then regular ordering opens January 9th at 6 p.m. If you're on the wait list, you'll get the ordering link at 9 a.m. So KatherinePooler.com/stamp of approval to get on the wait list. And we appreciate you guys hanging out with us and sharing in all this excitement and just sharing in this great hobby with us. Thanks for being here. I'll see you soon, and I hope your day is awesome.